Buy, hodl, exchange and make money with your cryptocurrency in just one click. That's not just a marketing ploy. Cryptocurrency news is making waves all around the world, paradoxically leading digital currencies to become increasingly enshrouded in myth. It might seem that trading crypto should be left to those in the know, but the processes for trading crypto were simplified and optimized a long time ago. StormGain is a platform that gives everyone and anyone the ability to exchange cryptocurrencies. Users can hodl them or trade them to make profit on both rises and falls in value. If you've been obsessed with cryptocurrencies for a while and want to keep up with the money-making opportunities everyone is talking about, here's your way to finally take the first steps on your crypto journey. What do you need to do to make your path to success safe and secure? Let's start from the beginning. We'll first look at how to register so we can focus on trading later. If you're more comfortable using a computer or a laptop, all you have to do is enter your current email address and create a secure password. If you're more comfortable using your phone, go to your app store, download the app, enter your personal details and the confirmation code that will be sent to your phone via SMS. To start trading, add funds to your account. The minimum deposit amount to make a trade is 10 tethers. You can either add funds instantly to your account or mine them. You can earn the amount you need for your first deposit, 10 tethers, in a couple of weeks, simply by pressing a single button once every 4 hours. There are a lot of myths and flashy headlines about mining, but these days you don't need to own a factory full of expensive equipment to make mining profitable. You don't even have to soup up your computer to mine cryptocurrency. The StormGain app is all you need. StormGain's cloud mining tool allows you to remotely mine cryptocurrency directly from a phone or other device. StormGain's cloud mining tool runs on our remote cloud servers, so you won't have to overload your processors, wear your battery down, or spoil your equipment. The newly mined cryptocurrency is sent directly to your wallets, so you can use it to make trades. StormGain's cloud mining tool is completely free to use, which further increases the profitability of your investments. We understand that the more cryptocurrencies a client has, the more trades they can make. That's why every StormGain user can immerse themselves in our cloud mining tool without spending a penny. Using our cloud miner is easier than posting on social media. To start mining cryptocurrencies on the StormGain platform, log into your account, open the Cloud Miner tab and click or tap Start Mining. Activate the Start Mining button every 4 hours to stay connected to the mining process and collect your reward. Moreover, the ability to earn with in-app mining is also convenient for users who have only used the demo mode.
So, what are you thinking about? Start mining cryptocurrency now. Just open up the link in description. It will open up StormGain official website. Click on Create an account and enter your email ID and create a strong password. Next come the promo code. So use this official special offer promo code by StormGain, for which you will get 3 USDT instant in your account balance, which you can use for trading or directly withdraw in your crypto exchange or a wallet. Click on join now, enter your phone number, and you are done. You have officially created your account. So let's talk about basics. After successful sign up, it will open this like interface. You can see here the highlighted button on the top of screen. Try our new Bitcoin cloud mining on mobile phone and earn crypto. Just tap on this. It will open Bitcoin cloud miner. You can see my balance is 3.51 USDT. So it's by using that promo code I received 3 USDT instant, and after activating this cloud mining, I got 0.5 USDT from this, and it's running for only 4 hours. So you have to activate this cloud mining in every 4 hours. You can earn easy profit by this application. So I'm telling how to use this. See, you can see here expiry in 99 hours only. So what is this? Your active miner and get reward bonus. This is a timeline. I have started just now, so you can see my green signal is at the beginning 0.5 USDT. So if I mine for 1, 2, 3 and 4 times regular, and I go up to 1 USDT, I will receive 1 USDT bonus on the top of mining cloud mining. Just same just like I will get 1.5 USDT and 2 USDT at the end. Make sure you complete this timeline within 100 hours. After 100 hours, this bonus will be vanish and you will only get your cloud mining amount. By going down, you can see here refer a friend. You will get 15% of mining fund they withdraw from this cloud mining. So you can copy this link and send this link to your friends and family, and also send them this video for reference. You can see your mining speed here, your daily income, weekly income and 30 days income. These numbers are on average user. So this changes from region to region and how much work you do on daily basis. I know I have withdrawn 10 USDT in just 5 days in my another account. So you can see here your withdrawal amount is minimum 10 USDT. So after completing 10 USDT, your withdrawal amount will be received in this wallet, which you can further withdraw in your crypto exchange and crypto wallet. And one more important thing to be noted: after this 100-hour expiry, you have to mine or activate your cloud mining on the basis of this chart, which is here. Click on trading favorites and see this BTC USDT into 300. Click on this apply signal. You can see here, this is a live chart of Bitcoin trading on USDT. So after completing 100 hours, your mining will be on that chart only. I will make a featured video on that. So subscribe our channel
and watch your profits roll in. With just a few easy actions, you can start trading cryptocurrencies effectively. All you need to do is open an account, add funds to it by mining or investing 10 tethers, and make your first trade using trading signals. The cryptocurrency world is no longer as exclusive and complex as it used to be. It's expanding and gradually making its way into our everyday lives. StormGain lets you move from being an observer to an active participant in the process.